there are several reasons why some high-income earning women might be reconsidering marriage. These reasons often revolve around financial independence, career focus, and personal preferences. Here's a closer look at some of these factors. Number one, financial independence and autonomy. High-income women often have significant financial independence, which they might feel could be compromised or complicated by marriage. They may be concerned about the potential financial risks associated with divorce, such as the division of assets or the possibility of paying spousal support. Number two, career focus. Women who are highly successful in their careers might prioritize their professional life. Marriage can sometimes bring additional responsibilities and expectations that may conflict with career goals or time commitments. Number three, shift in societal norms. There's a growing acceptance of diverse life choices, and marriage is no longer seen as a compulsory life goal for everyone. Women may feel less societal pressure to marry and may choose to focus on other aspects of their lives instead. Number four, prenuptial agreements. While prenuptial agreements can protect assets, the process of creating one can be unromantic or stressful, and some women might prefer to avoid this aspect of marriage. Number five, changing views on relationships. Some women might prefer long-term partnerships without the legal binding of marriage. This allows for romantic commitment while maintaining legal and financial independence. Number six, concerns about loss of identity. Some high-earning women might fear losing a sense of personal identity within the traditional framework of marriage. Number seven, child-rearing choices. With advancements in reproductive technology and shifting societal norms, women have more choices around child-rearing. They may opt to have children without being married, diminishing one of traditional incentives for marriage. Number eight, lifestyle preferences. High-income women often have the resources to enjoy a lifestyle that prioritizes travel, luxury, and freedom, which they might perceive as being changed under the commitments of marriage. Number nine, quality of available partners. Finding a partner who respects and supports their career success and financial independence can be challenging. Concerns about finding an equal partner who shares similar values and lifestyle preferences can also play a role. Number 10, legal complications. The legal binding of assets, potential complications in the event of divorce, and the process of legally blending lives can be deterrents. Each individual's reason for reconsidering marriage are unique and complex, influenced by personal experiences, cultural background, life goals, and socioeconomic status. It's important to recognize that these reasons are reflective of broader social and economic changes and don't apply universally to all